Hello everyone, it's Joffler here. Welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be teaching you how to warp players to defined locations in the config, and also how to add things to string lists in the config. So I'm also joined by Abby, and for once she didn't interrupt the intro.
Hey.
I was half expecting her to actually do that because I told her to not to before the video started. So I was surprised she didn't. Huh?
Nothing.
Okay. Anyway, so we're going to start off with just by grabbing a warp. So, if arcs are lang, I don't think no, Abby can't see my screen, so it's fine. Arcs are lang because more than one. Later on, I'm probably going to add functionality so you can warp off players, but right now I'm not going to worry about that. What have I got the prefix as right now? That, okay. Files are like for smaller ones, so message manager dot send message sender and no 7 incorrect usage for this command, and C the correct usage is shit. Label, not labnal. Player, no, it's just warp. Then obviously return true so it doesn't carry on. So, oh, there's an error. The call decided to stop itself again. Probably because I pressed page down, but hey. Abby's deciding not to talk. What is she doing on the server?
I'm trying to get funny. Funny
Okay.
guy.
Okay, so I'm going to define config up here. So configuration file config equals utils.get instance.get config. Oh, it's file configuration.
What you're saying right now?
Huh?
I have no clue what you're saying right now.
How did I know you were going to say that?
Because I'm dumb.
You're not. You just don't know bucket coding.
I don't know any coding.
Get string. Yeah, okay, whatever. Config.getString.
Bunny rabbit.
Dot get string warp dot arg0. Right, so if that equals null, then fish. So if that warp doesn't exist, then message manager dot send message sender and see arg0. Hold on. Warp arg0 does not exist. And we're also going to want to check if the
Squiddles.
whole thing is null. Actually, I guess it would be a configuration section. I think, because warp dot. We'll soon find out if it's not. So I want to know what a configuration section is, though. And actually, just to help out, I might, yeah, I'm gonna add the library spigot server edit. New Java doc location is hub.spigot.mc.org. Okay. Validate. Oh shit. Validate. Okay, that doesn't want to work then. Wet. Anyway. Config.get configuration section or is now done. Send message sender. Let's see. No warps have been created. Create one using /set warp. Return true. There we go. and spell sender correctly might help. So that's the 2 checks for null, and then so if it's still carrying on after that, then world w equals config.get string warp.arg0 dot world, and obviously we're going to want to import the bucket one of that. Oh, okay, we'll use world dot bucket dot get world using a string. That should work. Double x equals config dot get double warp dot args0 dot x. Actually, I wonder, is there a get world thing? No, there's not. That's fine. Okay, so we're just gonna copy and paste this 3 times, if I can actually get it. Double x y. Actually, they're supposed to be floats, I'm pretty sure. But oh well. X, Y, and Z. There we go. And then p dot teleport. No, it's not p. Actually, come think of it. Sender instance of player. Then obviously send them a message saying that they have to be an in-game player. You must be an in-game player to use warps. Return true and cast player p to sender, or sender to player. There we go. Obviously, just generally, I'm not going to be doing permissions, so you guys can add that in if you need it. P dot teleport new location w x y and z teleport. Oh shit! Teleport calls dot plugin. We don't have to add teleport calls in now. I just do it because so what? Because I think there's something with like teleport events that checks if it's a plugin and whatnot. So we might as well do it. So that's teleporting them to the warp, and then I think that's it. Just gonna send them a message and hope it works. P and A, you were teleported to the warp arg0. I just realised we might want to set this all to lowercase. Okay. Just so that it works always. Okay. Just send message P, you teleported to warp arg0.
Think you say pug instead of ug, whatever it is.
Args. For like arguments, yeah.
It sounds like pug.
How?
I've got terrible hearing, okay?
If you say so. Return true. Okay, that's warping done. So now we want to proceed with set warp. So if, well, we're also going to do check, make sure that manager.send message P and C. You must be an in-game player to use warps. Turn true. Player P equals player sender. Dying inside.
There's
P
no.
cannot be. Oh, that's why. There we go. And if args.length equals 0, or if args.length is more than 1, then message.
It is.
What are you doing?
Me?
Yeah,
Nothing.
nothing.
Fiddles.
That's not suspicious at all, being that you took a long while to respond, but you know.
I'm chasing squids.
Okay, now I know you're weird.
Something else to do.
Very true. String warp name equals arg0 to lowercase. And then we also want to define config up here, so file configuration config equals utils.get instance.get config. There we go. Import file configuration, and then config.set warps dot. Is it warp? Have I got it as warps or warp in here? Yeah, it's warp. Actually, I'm going to change it all in here so that it's warps. Apart from that one, of course. There we go. And it decides to stop itself again. Because I have a habit, oh god. Sorry about that, guys. Oh. Okay. Config.set warps dot warp name plus dot x equals p dot get location dot get x. And actually, we're going to do this easily. Y Z Z. So world XYZ, and then that's it. Message manager dot send message P and a use successfully created the warp. Arg0 config.get double warp stop. Oh shit.
Language.
Okay, we'll have to do it this way then. Get double warp stop plus warp name dot x config dot get double warp stop warp name dot y config dot get double dot no warp stop warp name dot z. send message p and a world config.get string warps dot warp name dot world. There we go. Return true. That's that part done. And oh yeah, I was going to say, how the hell is this only 3 minutes? And it's because I keep ending up stopping recording. So if args.length equals 0 or args.length more than 1, what?
Another baby bunny.
Okay.
You have your right now.
No, you're just playing around. I don't
Chasing
mind.
animals.
Huh?
Chasing animals. I've got this huge collection of bunnies.
That's mean.
No, our
Are
pets.
you keeping them hostage?
No, our pets. Raise yes. Oi. Stop escaping.
Oh my god.
Bam.
Anyway.
Ignore me.
What, me?
Whoever's watching it.
Fuck something, what do
Bunny.
I... Try and think. Okay. So if config, no, we need to set up config up here. File configuration config equals utils dot get instance dot get config. If config dot get
How dare you? That bunny ran away. Ah. Oh, there you go. Ah.
would that be a string or not? There we go. Hold on. What is this class as? An object? Okay, whatever. Gonna go. So then, be like, yo, that warp doesn't exist anyway. So why are you trying to delete it? Just arg0. The warp arg0 does not exist, and if it does exist, config.set warps dot arg0 dot to lowercase to null. Then be like, yo, you deleted this.
My voice went weird.
You successfully deleted the warp arg0.
Haha, got horse and bunny.
There we go. And that's all done. Teleport and TP pause. I don't know if I covered TP pause in the last teleportation episode, but it's pretty simple. It's not that hard. There you go. Right, we're going to export teleport now. And hope it works. Copy to plugins. Boosh. 3, 2, 1, server lag. There we go. Oh, shut up, announcer. I regret doing that episode now for the announcer. But still. Slash set warp test.
You will not run
You
away.
set- Oh, you successfully coded the warp test. World coordinates. Oh, I'm gonna need to turn that into a float, not a double.
Shut up, bunny.
Actually, it's nice and precise.
I found another baby bunny.
Okay. That's fine. Warp, and then warp test. You teleport to the warp test, and there we go, it works. And del, I'll actually just show you guys, enlarge it here. Set warp, you must be an in-game player, and then warp, del warp, and it works, there you go. And then del warp test, successfully deleted the warp test. Then try to warp test, and it doesn't exist. Boom. So that's it. It's probably a really long episode, but hey, life of coding. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to see more videos like this one. Until next time, see ya.
Bye.